Exercise 1.4, first sum. If p equal to the given set 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, q set equal to 2, 3, 5, 9, 11, r set equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and s equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Then find first subdivision they given. Totally 3 subdivisions is there. So first is P union Q union R. P union Q, P union Q union R. So here we need to follow 2 steps, right? One is inside the bracket, first we need to solve. After outside the bracket we should solve. Clear ma? Yes. First put 2 stars here. First star P union Q. Every time we should solve first inside the bracket only we should solve first. Okay, don't forget this. Inside the bracket only we should solve first. P union Q. What is a P elements here? Write P element 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. That is P element. Union. What is Q element here? 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Right? Okay, now union means what we need to do? We need to write combined. Okay, we need to write together. So write soon. Order you write 1, 2 is 2 times repeating, write only 1 time. 3 and then 4 is not there. 5 is 2 times repeating, you should write only 1 time. 7 is there, right? And 9 2 times repeating, you should write only 1 time. And 11 is there. This is P union Q. And next star we need to write fully. P union Q union R. So here P union Q, now only we found the answer, right? You just copy that answer here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, right? And then what they given here? Union. Union. What is R element here? R only they ask you, no? Yes, R. What is the value here? What is the element? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, I copied here. Now you just see, write combine, because here they given what symbol? Union. Union means we should write combined. Togetherly we should write. So 1 and then 2 and then 3 is repeating 2 times, right? 3 you write only 1 time. And then 4 and then 5 is repeating 2 times, write 1 time. 6 is there? No. 7 is there? Yes. 2 times repeating, write only 1 time. 9, how many times it is repeating? 2 times, write only 1 time. 11 is there. Okay. This is the answer for first subdivision. Clear, children? So P union Q union R. First you need to find inside the bracket and then you just copy that answer here and then write the third set, write together. Clear, children? This is the 2 steps. Okay, next what they are asking you to find? P intersection Q intersection S. Okay, here how many stars we need to follow? 2 stars. First inside the bracket. So P intersection Q. Okay, good. What is the P element here? So 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Intersection symbol. And then what they given? Q. What is the Q element? 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Okay, good. Intersection means what, ma? Union means combined together and we should write, right? Intersection means what? Intersection means, you know very well, it is a common element. Yes, common element. What is common element here? What are the common element present here? 2 is common and then see here 5 is common and then 9 is common, right? 2, 5, 9 is common. Clear, children? Okay. And then we completed P intersection Q. And next star P intersection Q intersection yes. Yes. Now P intersection Q, what answer you got? So write as it is. 2, 5, 9. And then what is the symbol? Intersection symbol. And what set we need to use? Yes. What is the set? Yes set. So what is this element, ma? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 is good. And next here we need to see what? It's a common element or combined? Common, because here what symbol I used here? It is intersection. Intersection means common. Common, okay? Common. What are the common elements? 2 is common. And then next one is 5 is common. Clear? 2 and 5 is common. Okay, that is the answer. Clear, children? This is first one answer. This is second subdivision. Answer 2, 5 is second subdivision. Now third subdivision. Listen carefully. Q intersection S intersection R. Okay. Now first how many stars we need to put? 2 stars. One is inside the bracket. Q intersection S. Okay. What is Q element here? 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. Right here. 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. And then intersection. What is S element here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay. Now you just copy this. What you should do? Intersection means we should see here common element. So 2 is common, and then see 3 is common, 2 is common, and then 3 is common. 3 is common, and then next one is 5 is common. 2, 3, 5 is common. Next star. What we need to do? Q intersection S intersection R. Okay. Intersection R. Here you see Q intersection S. What answer you got? 2, 3, 5. Copy that. And next close the bracket. Put intersection symbol. And what is R element? R set we need to write 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Here you copy 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, close the bracket. Here you see what are the elements common here, because here they given intersection symbol. So 2 is not common, 3 is common, and then 5 is common, right? So 3 and 5 is common. This is the answer for third subdivision. Clear, children? So first sum over, we will see second sum. Okay, thank you.